Hey everyone, this is Eric coming from Kansas again. So I've been meaning to make another update video on our solar production here since we've had more solar panels this year. So I thought I'd start with this, and then later in the day, it's about 8 a.m. here in Central Time, June 3rd, 2022. When we get later in the day, I'll show you some. It's gonna be a nice sunny day today, so I'll show you some shots of what we're producing in the middle of the day. So right now we've got up to a rated panel output of 3,400 watts, but that's including some panels that are 10 or 15 years old, all the way up to brand new panels, less than a year old. So they have varying degrees of degradation probably, but I think the older ones are still doing pretty good. Anyway, this we got 2 years of solar production here, starting in 2020 and then in 2022 now. So this over here is 2020. We had about, I want to say, 1,800 watts of rated solar panels. And so we got up to just below 10 kilowatt hours per day in June in that year. 2021, we added 600 watts to the roof, and then we got up to just under 12, just right at 12 kilowatt hours a day in June. And these 600 watts were added in March of last year. And now this year we've added another 1,800 watts of solar on top of this 1,800 over here and this 600 added last year. So if I did my math right, that's 3,400. So this year, just yesterday, we got just over 18 kilowatt hours, which is pretty nice for us. Now we can keep most of the things that we've got that we can run on solar. We can keep them running during most of the day. Now we need more battery capacity. So that's kind of an update on where we're at on solar production. I've got a cost table here and all sorts of stuff I like keeping track of. But anyway, I thought you'd like to see that here. So later on today, I will go over or show you what we're pulling for solar during the middle of the day. So stay tuned. Hi everybody. So now we're outside later in the day. So these panels over here, I wish I could have a better view of them on the roof, but we'll do this for now. These panels over here were put in, these over here were put in 2018. These were put in 2019. No, 2020, sorry. And then there was just 600 watts of solar over here put in 2021. And then this year, we put in another 1,200 watts of panels there in those last 3 rows there, if you can see that. Mostly they're the last 3 rows. But so it's another, let's see, another 12 panels of 100 watt Renogy brand panels. They're monocrystalline. The other 600 watt panels over here are polycrystalline. And these monocrystalline ones, I can definitely tell a difference. I was expecting to get about 17 kilowatt hours a day at this point in the year, but just got 18 kilowatt hours yesterday. So looking for more today, hopefully. But now we'll go inside and check out what the equipment is reading. All right, everybody. So this is what we're reading today. About a consistent. We got a consistent 2100 watts there. You can see that, and it's about. So when it's cooler outside, I've seen constant 22 or 2300 watts. When it's cloudy, I've seen up to 2700, 2800 watts, for short periods, but usually a low 2000s here now. That's what we got. So we already got 11 kilowatt hours today. And our system's pulling 400 watts or so. So we're powering everything we got. So 2 fridges, 2 stand-up side-by-side fridges, 2 deep freezers. They're smaller deep freezers. We got a heat pump water heater that runs off of 120, and the furnace fan. I haven't used that a lot today. And then all the lights in the house and a lot of outlets and whatnot. So that's what's pulling right now. And then still down 130 amp hours in our battery, but we're quickly recovering. See, we're putting in about 1.56 kilowatts at the moment into the batteries, about 56 amps. So we're pulling in 79 amps and putting in 57 amps. So the difference there is the efficiency in what we're pulling. So anyway, hope you like the update. That's what our system is doing these days with the added panels this year, and really have noticed a difference. It's much easier to keep everything on solar, which is nice. But if there's anything else you guys want to see or any other aspects of the system, just let me know. But enjoy, and we'll keep it short. We'll talk to you later. Grace and peace be with you. Bye for now.